What's up, guys? We're headed to Devon's right now to go on a little ride. He's the one with the green Honda 520. We got the Can-Am over there all signed up. So I guess I'll pick you back up when we get there.
Keep doing all that, I'm gonna end up killing myself.
We're at Devon's house now, guys, and he's got the new dirt bike we're trying out. We're not really experienced on them. We're learning how to jump them right now. That's a 250 CRF 2022 model. Got a little area there. We got the Can-Am. We just raced and he beat me because this field's bumpy and I just couldn't steer. I had to let off. But it was really close. Oh, yeah, he got some air there. See if he gets the wheelie up. Nope, he's going too fast. Dirt bikes are fun. I might have to get one for the channel. If you think I should, comment. There's some air. Oh yeah, he got some. He's gonna hit the fence if you don't calm down. But that's a stock bike. It's pretty. It's really a trail bike, but it's got a decent amount of power. Got a little wheelie there. We might hit some mud later, I'm not sure. There's some air. Yep. I'm gonna have to get a dirt bike. Those are fun. But look at this Can-Am over here. I cleaned her up good. I'm gonna walk over here and get some footage of him hitting this jump. Here he comes. Got a little bit. See how hard he hits this for the camera. There we go. Look at Can-Am over there. Looking good. I don't want to get it dirty.
We just going straight. I don't care. Oh, that's alright.
Huh? What? Shut the door.
She got a crater.
Oh, that's alright.